What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaner, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
Go Oxy, and I got my Sager stuff. I want to go the best clean as possible. Apparently, the last carpet cleaner this customer used, it took 2 days to dry. I said, oh no. I said, you know what, just lose that phone number. This video is going to be about some products that I make sure I have, so I'm not turning away any customers. So there's a fiber called viscose. It's a rayon, basically. It's basically a paper, from what I'm told. But anyway, this type of rug, and I'm going to show you it right now. This type of rug. So these type of rugs are notorious for, color change, okay, or actually getting dark and looking dirty when you're done with it as it dries. And what I like to do on these kind of commercial, hotels and stuff like that, a little bit of deodorizer. So I'm not doing a full deodorizer. I'm putting about a cap lid full into my pre-spray, which is going to be around 2.5 gallons or so, 3 gallons. It's just enough to where it isn't overbearing, but nice little fragrance in there to cover up anything. Okay. What I mean is, instead of taking that majority of your money and spreading it out, take that majority of the money, focus on the main component, and then for the rest of it, get what'll work. Okay. That was it. So post spray on that thing. I did put a fan in one area just to see if it was gonna lighten up enough to see the results, but it's gonna take a while. They won't know the results till later this evening or tomorrow, so. What's up guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino. Just had to get a little picture of this because to me, I don't know, kind of looked kind of orderly there. So we did so just blot it. Well, you don't spread it around, make the stain bigger, and if you don't get all of it out, you don't have a bigger stain. So the customer would be like, hey, wasn't that big before you got here? Alright guys, all finished up. Pulling all the hoses out and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and mop my way out of here. Squeaky clean. So this is the famous carpet detail right here. This is the stuff I live by. I use 99% of the time, well 90% of the time, and you can tell that it works on a lot of things. So I'm gonna get a little brutally honest with you on this one. This is gonna be a little for the hustle and flight, plus my Green Rhino. Stop being grazers. I mean, stop letting life happen to you, and you need to start happening to life. know you guys think, you're selling your business? No, I'm not selling my business. But each business, if you want to be a business owner, needs to be set up in a way to where it could be sold. So everything's like structured and formatted, not chaotic. And so, garage area, so yeah, it breaks up really well. So if you want to start a VLM carpet cleaning business, that's what you want to do, or that's what you want to start out with, you can do that for about $1,000. Have your own carpet cleaning business. Yeah, you get to So my method is I kind of go around the outside. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Welcome to another one. And then you plug it in, turn it on, about 60 seconds, and you're ready to go. We're doing a VLM today. First job we're gonna do VLM. It's a commercial building, office building. Got all my stuff out here waiting on the customer. So some of these spots are pretty tough. So Aaron's working ahead of me and hitting these spots correctly and agitating it. Actually by hand, not even using the drill, actually using that white brush right there. It's nice and firm, and it does the best. Right? Especially if you're hitting little spots like that. That really. Soiled. I'm dressing with some color, some paint and stuff in this room. I did charge extra for it. Did not guarantee. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you.